Hello students, I am Dr. Naveen Arora. In this class, we will discuss something about digital marketing. Digital marketing is a very important concept, and nowadays marketers are using digital marketing very prominently because it is cost effective, because it is having a specific reach to specific audience. So let's start with digital marketing. So the subject that we discuss is digital and social media marketing, and in the first unit of this subject we'll discuss about introduction to digital marketing. This is the first unit. So first we need to understand that digital marketing is also called internet marketing, e-marketing or online marketing. These are different names of digital marketing. We can call it internet marketing, we can call it e-marketing, we can also call it online marketing. So further we need to understand the definition. There are two definitions of digital marketing or online marketing. So definitions are actually required to understand a concept or a topic better. So digital marketing is the application of internet and related digital technologies in conjunction with traditional communications to achieve marketing objectives. So important thing here is applications of internet and related technologies. So when we use internet and some related technologies, why we use these? To achieve marketing objective. So whatever objectives are there for a marketer, those marketing objectives can be achieved using internet and digital technologies. So that is internet marketing or digital marketing or online marketing. So what could be the objectives? Objectives could be the promotion, communication, selling product, servicing customer. So these are all objectives, marketing objectives. And when these objectives are achieved using internet or related digital technologies, we call it digital marketing. But the other important thing is that in conjunction with traditional communications. So when we go ahead with using digital marketing, we do not stop using our traditional communication. We keep on using our traditional communications, we keep on using our traditional ways of selling product. So it is something that is required along with digital marketing. So that is why it is also added in first definition, that along with that conjunction with traditional communications. In the second definition it says achieving marketing objectives through use of e-communication technologies. E-communication, we understand e used for electronic. So when we use electronic communication technologies to achieve marketing objectives, we call it digital marketing. So digital marketing or online marketing helps marketer in identifying, anticipating and satisfying. Identifying, anticipating and satisfying. So in identifying customer needs, identifying customer segments, identifying customers requirements. So digital marketing helps in that. Then digital marketing also helps in anticipating customer needs, anticipating customers demand, and ultimately the final objective or final goal is satisfying customer needs, satisfying customer demand. So the marketer can even satisfy customer needs and demands using online marketing or digital marketing. So it helps in a broader way to the marketer. The technologies used for digital marketing, web, that is websites can be used for digital marketing. Marketers can use emails for digital marketing. Emails can be sent to the prospect customers. Marketers have websites for communication and selling the products. And then marketers can also use online databases for achieving marketing objectives. And the last is mobiles and other related wireless services can also be used for digital marketing or online marketing. So these are the technologies that are required that can be used for online marketing. So the important thing is applications of online marketing. Where can we apply online marketing? How can we use online marketing? Or what functions of marketing can be achieved using digital marketing or online marketing? So first and the very important application is, it is an advertising medium. Online marketing is an advertising medium. We can advertise using online marketing. We can advertise through internet. We can advertise through mobiles. So marketers can use a digital marketing or online marketing or internet as a important and a very good tool for advertising. In advertising through digital marketing, marketers have low cost and marketers can target some specific audience for advertising. Second is CTA, that is call to action. In digital marketing, marketers can call customers or prompt customers for certain type of actions that they want. If a marketer wants customers to register for its website, for its newsletter, marketer can give a button, a link for that. If marketer wants customer to purchase, marketer can give a link for that. If marketer wants customers to call, there could be a link. If marketer wants customer to apply for callback, again there could be a link for that. So in digital marketing, this is an interactive medium. So marketers can have a call to action for customers. They can give links to the customers so that the customers can also interact with marketers, which is usually not possible in traditional media. It is a direct response medium, as I have discussed. Customers can directly respond to the marketers using internet. It is also a platform for sales transactions. So sales transactions can also be done using digital marketing or internet. Marketers can sell products using internet, that is called e-commerce. Then lead generation. Again, a very important function in marketing is lead generation. This can also be achieved using digital marketing. First, we need to understand what is a lead. Lead is a data set or a list of all those individuals or organizations that might be interested in buying the product of a company. So if I am a marketer, those who might be interested in buying my products or brands, those individuals list is called lead. So marketers can generate lead using digital marketing or internet. So I'll take just an example. If I want to buy an insurance policy, so uh, I would I would like to understand who are the marketers, who are the companies that are offering insurance services. Then what are the premiums for different companies for insurance? So I might go to policybazaar.com and then I would search for any type of insurance policy. But before I get the quotation from different companies on Policy Bazaar asked me to fill some of my details, my name, my phone number, my age, my email ID, and then an OTP will be sent on my phone number. And once I fill that OTP, only after that I would be able to get the quotation of that insurance policy. So once I do all this, my data is registered, saved with policybazaar.com, and that data is lead. That list of all those individuals who are interested in buying this product is lead for Policy Bazaar. Once I am through with this, I'll receive a call from Policy Bazaar that you are interested in this product. So we offer this product at this premium. These are the services and so on. So this lead generation is an important function that can be achieved using internet or online marketing. Then next is distribution channel. Internet can also be used as a distribution channel, as we have discussed, that it can be, we can purchase products through internet, e-commerce. And next is customer service mechanism. E-commerce provides products and internet also provides service to customers. If a customer has any problem with the product, customer can go online, register a complaint online, can register complaints using email, can chat with a chatbot. Chatbot is a type of robot that is designed for chatting with customers. So a customer can chat with a chatbot to get services or get problems solved. And last is relationship building medium. As I have discussed, when we use internet for getting some services or purchasing products, the marketers get our data, and using that data, the marketers can send us promotional messages. Marketer can send us uh, some wishes on our special occasions like birthday or marriage anniversary or so on. So marketers can build a relationship using internet. So that's all for this lecture. We'll discuss more about digital marketing in our next lectures. Thank you.